When this becomes this, or you wake up to a cold house on a January morning, it's nice to know there are experts on hand to help round the clock. H2O Plumbing Gas Ltd, carrying out a reliable professional service with the friendly touches of a family business. Whether you're thinking of installing a wet room for the ultimate shower and go experience, your home needs a brand new heating system, you're a landlord in need of property checks, we install, we maintain, we repair, carrying out heating, plumbing, gas and electrical work for domestic and commercial customers. H2O Plumbing and Gas Ltd. One call sorts it all.